Today on Kindly Carnivore, let's do a pizza muffle. Very quickly, this is the pizza muffle recipe that I love. First, preheat your waffle iron maker, and then in a bowl, you're going to place 5 ingredients. 1 ounce cream cheese to room temperature, soft, make sure it's nice and soft. 1 to 1.5 ounces of provolone cheese, shredded, or you can chop it into small pieces. 1 ounce of baked ham chopped into small pieces. 15 slices of pepperoni chopped into small pieces, and 1 whole egg. Next, you want to mix thoroughly together. Afterwards, you want to place an appropriate amount of batter into your waffle iron maker, and I would say about half of this total amount of this batter if you're using a smaller maker. Close the lid on your waffle iron and just let it heat until it indicates that it's completely done cooking. Take it out and enjoy, folks. If you would like to dip your pizza muffle into some pizza sauce, just take a little bit of tomato sauce, I would say about a quarter cup, no more than a quarter cup of plain tomato sauce. Add in to that sauce, to your liking, onion powder, some garlic powder, and then some oregano. Stir it together, heat it up. Perhaps in a microwave would do the trick. And you can either put it on top of your muffle or just dip it in there, like put it in a cup and dip it in there as you see fit. If you would like to do it, it's only probably adding maybe about 4 total carbs per quarter cup of sauce, so it's not that big of a loss there. But people on a ketogenic diet could get away with that, and it would be okay as far as what the requirements of keto is. But if you want to go strict carnivore, you don't have to do the sauce at all, and you could probably even do a cream sauce if you wanted to with some heavy whipping cream. But it's an option for you. Enjoy.